Capture is our new feature for creating software lessons. To make a lesson, launch Capture, then carry out the steps of a task. Capture follows along and, surprise, captures what you do. Capture records screenshots for each step, plus hotspots and instruction text. It's easy to edit the steps and add audio or more on-screen content to help your learners. When you're done the lesson, just drag and drop it on a Claro or Flow content page. Then set the lesson to behave as an animated Show Me, an interactive Try Me, or a list of guided steps. Capture can also create animated GIFs and single-screen captures, so you have plenty of ways to help your learners. Capture is one of our favorite new features. It's an important part of how we're helping you help your learners in more ways than ever before.